Okay. So now let's talk about how we can sort data using a custom list. For example, here, if I want to sort this data based on the product, it will sort this data based on the alphabetical order. The same way with the region, it's going to sort it according to alphabetical order. Okay, so now let me select this data. So I want to select this data from there to here, and then I'll go to sort and filter, and then I'll go to custom sort. On custom sort, I'll choose to sort by region. So I'll click on sort by, and I'll sort by region, and here I'll sort from A to Z. Okay, for the first time, let's look at sorting from A to Z, and then I'll click OK. You can see that the data has been sorted from east, north, south, and west. Why? Because these are arranged in alphabetical order. But that's not what I want. I want this data to be sorted from north, south, then east and west. North, south, east and west. Even if I could try to sort from Z to A, it has been sorted from west, south, north, and east. That's not what I want. I want north, south, east, and west. So while this data is selected like this, I'll go to sort and filter and go to custom sort. Here on Z to A, I'm going to select A to Z, and I want to use a custom list. Okay, so custom list. Now you can see the here I'm having some list which comes with Excel, and we're having the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. These ones are lists which Excel gives us. But I want a new list, so I'm going to select on a new list. Once I set on a new list, here I'm having list entries. Here it is saying press enter to separate list entries. So I'm going to uh, use north as the first list entry, and then I'll press enter and click on south, and then east, and then west. So this is the list. It will go north, south, east, west, and then I'll click add. Once I click add, the new list is going to be added here, and then I'll click OK. So I'm going to select the list and click OK. And here you see the order has been presented here as north, south, east, and west. Then I'll click OK. You can see now my data has been sorted north, south, east, and west as uh, what we have told Excel to do. So this is how you can sort your data using a custom list. This is important. Let's say you want to sort the data from head teacher, David head teacher, form teacher, like that. You have to use a custom list. Otherwise, Excel will sort it based on alphabetical order. So you can do the same with these products. You can sort by laptop, and then you go to tablet, and then to mouse and keyboard. So thank you for your time.